Hello, hello, hello everyone. This is your host again, Maria G. For today's video, tatry ko po kumanta ng mga hit songs ng Bread. Yan. Before anything else, before I proceed, shout out po sa mga viewers nitong premiere, sa mga nakatune in na, and sa mga magre-replay po, white friends from all over the world. Salamat po for for my first song po, Diary. Para po sa inyo. I found her diary underneath a tree. Started reading about me. The words she's written took me by surprise. You never read them in her eyes. They said that she had found the love she waited for. Wouldn't you know it? She wouldn't show it. She confided with the right there. Simply pretended not to care. I passed it off as just it different. A total disconcerting air. And though she tried to hide the love that she denied, wouldn't you know it? She wouldn't show it. And as I go through my life, I will give to her my wife. All the sweet things that I can find. I found a diary underneath a tree. Started reading about me. The words began to stick and years to flow. Your meaning now was clear to see. That I'm love she'd waited for someone else, not me. Wouldn't you know it? She wouldn't show it. And as I go through my life, I still wish for her, his wife. All the sweet things that she can find. All the sweet things they can find. That's Diary. Medyo mahirap yung kantang yun Yan. Shoutout po sa mga viewers itong premiere and sa mga magre-replay po neto. Thank you, thank you. Yan. For my next bread hit song, if try natin kung shoutout po ulit dyan sa inyong lahat na nakatune in sa premiere na to and sa mga magre-replay. Thank you po. If a picture paints 1,000 words, then why can't I paint you? Words will never show that you had come to know. A face could launch 1,000 ships, then where am I to go? There's no one home but you, nor all that's left me to. And when my love, my life is running dry, you come and pour yourself on me. If a man could be to places that one time might be with you, tomorrow and today, beside the old way, the world should stop revolving, spinning slowly down to die. Spend the end with you, and when the road was through, and one by one the stars would all go out, and you and I would simply fly away. That's if. Yan, napakabilis na pala ng kantang yun. Napaka-iksi lang. Yan. Yan. For my next song, Aubrey. Itatry natin tong Aubrey. Shoutout po muli sa inyong lahat yan, sa mga viewers itong premiere and sa mga magre-replay. Thank you po. Yan. Sabi ko nga kanina, this is Maria G's version, guys. Maria G's trying hard version. Try natin tong bread. Aubrey. Para po sa inyo dyan. Thank you for tuning in. Aubrey was her name, not so very ordinary girl or name, but who's to blame? Oh, a love that wouldn't bloom for the hearts that never played in June. Like a lovely melody that everyone can sing. Take away the words that rhyme, doesn't mean a thing. And Aubrey was her name. Tried to light the dance together to the moon. Where was true. No, it never came around. If it did, it never made a sound. Maybe I was absent or was listening too fast, catching on version, guys. That's just one. Shoutout muli sa mga viewers itong premiere, sa mga mag-replay. Thank you. And everyone's your name. Never knew her, but I love her just the same. I love her name. Wish that I had found a way and the reasons that would make her stay. I have learned to lead a life apart from all the rest. I can have the one I want and do without the best. How I miss the girl that I go a million times around the world just to say she had been mine for one day. Oh, that's a difficult song. Yeah. Again, that's Maria G's Trying Hard version. Yan, for my next song, eto. Baby, I'm a want to. Try natin to. Shout out po ulit sa mga viewers itong premiere and sa mga magre-replay po. Thank you, thank you. Ayan, this next song is entitled Baby I'm a Want. At siya ay nag-loading. Baby, I'ma want you. Baby, I'ma need you. You're the only one I care enough to hurt about. Yan, di ba nag-loading siya? Shout out po sa inyong lahat yan. Baby, I'm crazy, but I just can't live without your loving and affection. Giving me direction, a guiding light to help me through my darkest hour. And lately I'm a praying that you'll always be a staying beside me. I used to be my life was just emotions passing by, feeling all the while and never really knowing why. Shoutout po ulit sa mga viewers ng premiere, sa mga magre-replay. Thank you, thank you. This is Maria G's version, guys. Lately I'm a praying that you'll always be a stay beside me. I used to be my life was just emotions passing by, and then you came along and made me laugh, made me cry. You taught me why, baby, I want you, baby, I need you. I'ma need you. Shout out po dyan sa may mga baby. Yan, that's Baby Emma Want You. For my last song, Everything I Own. Sa mga nakaabot po sa dulo ng video to, sa mga naka-tune in pa rin, thank you, thank you. And thank you for your support, guys. Yan, shout out po ulit sa inyong lahat dyan. Yan, this is Everything I Own. You sheltered me from harm, kept me warm, kept me warm. You gave my life to me, set me free, set me free. I just say ever knew. I had with you, and I would give anything I own. I give up my life, my heart, my home. I would give everything I own just to have you back again. Taught me how to love. What is all? What is all? You never said too much, still you showed the way that I knew from watching you. Nobody else could ever know. Part of me that can't let go. I would give anything I own. Give up my life, my heart, my home. I would give everything I own just to have you back again. Is there someone you know, you're loving them so, but taking them all for granted? You may lose them one day, someone takes them away, and they don't hear the words you long to say. Give anything I own, give up my life, my heart, my home. I would give everything I own just to have you back again, just to touch you once again. And that concludes my video for today, guys. Yan, sa mga nakaabot po hanggang sa mga nakaabot po hanggang sa dulo ng video na to. Yan, salamat po sa mga nakatune in pa rin. Thank you. Sa mga magre-replay po, maraming salamat po. This is your host again, Maria G, saying let's all stay safe and happy always. Bye for now.